Hi everyone. Today we're diving into how to use a Kindle, the world's leading e-reader. While it's an incredible device, there's definitely a learning curve to it. In this beginner's guide, we'll cover essential gestures, helpful settings, and tips to make the most of your Kindle. Let's get started. When you turn on your Kindle for the first time, you'll start by selecting your language and region. Next, choose whether you'd like to set up your Kindle using your phone or directly on the device. For this tutorial, we'll set it up on the device. If you're near a Wi-Fi network, go ahead and connect. Don't worry if you're not, this setup can easily be done later. Now register your Kindle with your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, use it for a seamless experience. Your billing information is already set up, and Prime members can enjoy free access to thousands of books, comics, and magazines via Prime Reading. If you need to create a new account, that's an option too. So after putting in your Amazon account details, sign in. You'll be presented with a code. Go to amazon.com/code and input the code you are given to link your device, and automatically your device should start up. Once registered, click Next. You'll also have Kindle Unlimited recommendations. You'll also have options to sign up for Audible, a platform for audiobooks. Feel free to skip these for now. You can always come back later, and that's it. Your Kindle is now set up, and you'll see the home screen. Before exploring the interface, let's cover the physical button near the charging port. Press it once to wake up or put your device to sleep. Hold it down for 5 seconds to restart your Kindle. To wake your device, simply press the button and swipe up. The Kindle home screen is your getaway to reading and exploring. Here are the key sections: display and network settings, access airplane mode, Bluetooth dark mode, brightness and screen warmth settings, search bar, quickly find books in the Kindle store or your library, Kindle store icon, browse free and paid books. Main menu, explore options like reading lists, Goodreads, Amazon Kids, the web browser and settings. Recently viewed books, displays recently downloaded and read books. Book recommendations, suggestions from the Kindle store. Library icon, open your library with all your available books. Main screen scrolling, scroll down for more recommended books by swiping up or using the arrows on the scroll bar. Return to the main screen. Tap the X in the top right corner when browsing. There are 3 ways to download books to your Kindle. First, on the Kindle device, use the search bar to find titles, browse using the shopping cart icon, select a recommended book on the home screen, look for the Kindle Unlimited badge if you're a member for free downloads. Second, on Amazon via the computer, phone, or tablet, visit Amazon's website, search for a book, select the Kindle version and click Buy Now. Your book will sync to your Kindle. If it doesn't appear, sync your device via network settings or search for it manually. Now let's explore gestures and settings that enhance your reading experience. Tap the left side, turn to the previous page. Tap the right side, turn to the next page. Tap the bottom, access the reading menu for font size, bookmarks, and highlights. Swipe down from the top, adjust brightness, dark mode, and screen warmth. Swipe up from the bottom, jump between chapters. You can also go ahead to pinch to zoom, similar to like a smartphone, and move around if you're having trouble seeing fine print. To customize your display, tap the bottom of the screen and select the A icon. Adjust font family, size, margins, and line spacing. Here are some advanced features to elevate your reading. Look upwards, hold down on a word to see its definition. Download a dictionary for free if needed. Highlight and notes. Select a section to highlight or leave a note. These annotations are saved in the book's index and can be exported via email. Reading on a Kindle is intuitive and enriching, thanks to its simple gestures and helpful features. I hope this guide helped you get started. What's your favorite feature on the Kindle so far? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy reading.